We fat like this, they weigh the same, man. Even to tie in bed, say bed no they fit in stomach. Now I won't train you. They say now I be your fitness coach. You know go on. Which kind of fitness that one won't teach you? I don't go to one gym before like that where I go jam that kind of guy. I look myself. I look myself. I say, hey, they say now you, what do you want to do for me, sir? The guy they look me, he no fit talk now. I say, what do you want? How you want to help me to train? Say waiting. I mean, now me supposed to train you, sir. Come on. Now that day me vex where I no go that gym again. No. Say which kind of embarrassment be that? Come carry one guy with don't chop belly food, with belly don't big full guy in cheeks big. I say I know they see him. They sweat, they breathe like. They say 9-1 follow me train. I be 9-1 train me. Whether they say make it there, they press machine, I don't even know. But if he won't train me. Now you want training. So now wait till I pay 5,000 yen for this. Come on for all though. They say I be guy where you go come to deceive with fitness. You just run for one. They tell you say na fitness there now. Just gather small muscle. Some things go they happen. Now so you just go. Under 2 weeks you don't go. They don't deceive you. Under 2 weeks you don't go gym. Don't go carry weight. You don't go carry weight. You just build only this place. You can't be like kangaroo. They put you for work now. You know if you do small thing you go tire. Now because you only train your hand. Only 2 weeks. You did too fast. You no train your heart. Your heart is not trained. You go dey tire. This training where we they do now process. We know they build only here or here. We know they build only here. We build everything. Bike hit me. Bike break into pieces. If I no be strong guy, wait on the gym, maybe that bike for pieces my leg. Alaye, instead maybe bike pieces my leg. Now my leg now pieces bike. Pieces hand because I can't stand they look the guy. I can't stand they look the guy. So waiting the rain for my head to say, oh boy, you no see me.